everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use the shape tools in Adobe XD. These tools are very useful for creating designs quickly and easily. Let's get started. First we have the rectangle tool. You can find it on the left toolbar or you can press the R key to select it. To draw a rectangle, just click and drag on your artboard, and you can resize it by dragging the corners or edges. You can also round the corners by dragging the small circles inside the rectangle. Next is the ellipse tool. This tool is used to create circles and ovals. You can select it from the toolbar or press E on your keyboard to draw a perfect circle. Hold down the shift key while dragging. If you want an oval, simply drag without holding shift. Just like the rectangle, you can adjust the size by dragging the corners. The polygon tool is used to create shapes with more sides like triangles or hexagons. Select it from the toolbar or press Y on your keyboard. To change the number of sides, look at the options on the right side of the screen. You can increase or decrease the number of sides to create different shapes. Now let's look at the line tool. You can find it from toolbar as well or press L to select it. To draw a line, click and drag anywhere on your artboard. To keep the line straight, hold down shift while dragging. You can adjust the thickness of the line in the properties panel on the right. Once you have created your shapes, you can change their colors, borders and more. Select a shape, then use the properties panel on the right to pick a color and a stroke or adjust the transparency. That's how the shape tools in Adobe XD work. These tools are simple but powerful for creating all kinds of designs. Try them out in your own projects and see what you can create. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe XD tutorials. Thanks for watching.